Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Necessity. Well, my name is Vanessa. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the new Morphe palettes. These are the SCULPT and SHIMMER palettes. This is the 8H and the 8L. So with these you're going to get 4 contours and 4 highlights. This is the 8L, this is the Lo-Fi, and this is the 8H Hi-Fi palette. So again, 4 matte contours and 4 highlight shades. So, let's see. I did go in with both of them just to kind of see just a little bit. Like I used this shade here on the 8L palette, which is the Lo-Fi palette, as one of my setting shades here for my transition. And then for my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight today, I used Beam. So that's Beam right there. If it can focus. There's Beam. Gonna go in with Mirage. Big Bang. And Venus. And then I'm not really good at swatches, as you can tell right now. Perfect way to start a video is with less than a sip left of coffee. Alright, anyways, let's just try these out. So these are the 2 palettes together. Show you Donut, Blogger, Fabulous, and Debutante. So here's all the shades here. Alright, so now I'm going to show you real quick the 8L. Literati, I don't know if I'm saying that. Donut, Debutante, Enemy. And I'm not really going in pressing with these because I don't know, I don't do that. So the highlights are going to be Supernova, Lit, Cosmic, and Stardust. I think I might roll in with the 8L palette and then we'll see if we warm things up with the 8H. So first thing I usually do is go in with the Y1 and then I just warm up the face a bit. So let's see. I think we're gonna go, let's try mixing together these top 2. So I'm just gonna go with that and warm up my face a bit. So again, I'm gonna warm up the face. I'm basically taking this around the border of my face and then I'm going in into this area here, which is going to be the hollows of my cheeks. Even though I'm kind of chunky right now, there is hollow hiding in there, and where there's not, we create it. So far, Donut is definitely a good color for me. So this would definitely be where I would just begin to bronze up. And then I'm going to go in with the Debutante, which is this one right here. Now, basically, like if you can't find your area to contour, find this part of your hair, and that's basically your jawline where you want to contour right underneath. Going with just a little bit, then step back, take a look at what you've done at different angles, and then go back in and build it up. Now, without getting too much product, you can already see that there's a big difference in my face. I don't look pale and boring and flat. I have more dimension to my face, which really allows those brighter areas to shine through. So now, once we go through and we roll in with our highlight, it's really gonna pop. I don't know how you say that. Well, I'm gonna try that shade, and we're gonna curve that out. And then I'm just softening that line, because I don't like that harsh line on there. Trying to follow that Instagram way that people do their makeup, and it, you know, some of those things work and some don't. See, what highlight do we want to use? I think I'm gonna go with Cosmic. For my eyes, I did the Boom line, which I thought I was gonna use that palette, but this one seems to be working good for me. It was a lot darker. But I'm gonna go in with Cosmic, and then we'll see how that rolls out. So I'm gonna be using the Morphe R36, and I'm really, instead of swiping, I'm bouncing in there. I'm creating fallout because of the way I'm using it. But you're literally just gonna do that. Tap it back in there. Well, this is kind of pink. I did the wrong one, that's why. Well, what you do to one side, you must do to the other. So this is Supernova and Cosmic. Just because I already have my mind set on Beam, I really just have to put that one on. To do my nose, I use this part of the brush here. And I just dab that and just barely get the tip. You want to see where your light is going, so you want to be moving around a bit, checking it out, making sure it's aligned. Alright, so that is basically it. So far I like it. We'll see how it wears. I've tried their highlights before when they came out with their singles, and they are really good. I do love them. I've been using Extra and Boom and Lit. Those have been my go-tos lately. So yeah, there's that. Those are the palettes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118,
spray endlessly. So let me know what you guys want to see next. Let me know what you guys think of these palettes. If you guys are interested in a tutorial on the eye look, or if you have any other questions, just let me know. Alright? Take care, guys.